What's good, guys? It's your boy Anthony here, back at it with another awesome video. Hopefully I don't get run over in this parking lot. But still, guys, today is a super exciting day because I'm announcing my partnership with Quick Mobile Repair AZ. Super excited to be working with them, and they're a super cool company. First of all, let's talk a little bit about Quick Mobile Repair AZ is. So Quick Mobile Repair AZ is the best place to get your phone or different devices repaired. Alright, guys, so now to meet the man behind Quick Mobile Repair AZ. We have Nick here. Nick, say hi to cameras.
How we doing, guys?
Alright, so this is, how many stores now for you guys?
We have 5 locations in Phoenix.
Wow.
This is our 5th newest location. This is our Fountain Hills store. And then we have 4 others across the valley.
Wow, so where are your stores located?
So our first location is on 56th Street in Bell. We've been there for about coming on 8 years now. Second location would be 19th Avenue in Greenway. Another on I-17 in Dunlap. And then we have another one in Peoria on 94th Avenue in Bell. And then finishing up, this is our Fountain Hills location in Fountain Hills.
Wow, so that's super cool. So that's 5 locations here in Arizona that you guys can come visit too. So that's super cool. Also, with all the detail to their website and their Instagram page. So make sure you go follow them there down below in the description. This is super cool to actually be in a physical store. And I mean, I've always enjoyed technology, and doing repair stuff is super cool. You know, I can always appreciate people who can open a phone and figure out the problem and fix it. So that's super awesome. All right, Nick, so we got something super exciting for the subscribers. We actually going to be doing a little giveaway for this wireless charging and this Mophie Essential Power Boost Bank. These are both super awesome things to own, and they're going to be all for free. Giveaway to enter, link down in the description. So yeah, make sure you guys go enter. It's gonna be super awesome. So some of the rules for the giveaway is you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and comment that you guys did that. And also you guys have to go follow Quick Mobile Repair AZ on Instagram. So make sure you guys do that for a chance to win one of these awesome accessories. So make sure you guys go do that right now. Link down in the description. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'm super excited working with Quick Mobile Repair AZ. Until next time, peace.